Hello everyone, welcome to V Factory YouTube channel. In our previous video, we discussed about what is meant by office and what are the types of office. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about what is meant by secretary and what are the types of secretary. Before going to know the meaning of secretary, we should know about where the concept of secretary has been derived. So generally, the word secretary has been derived from the Latin word secretarius. Secretarius means a person or an employee or the officer or a writer who maintains the confidential matters or the secrets of his boss or employer or master. Now, coming to meaning of secretary, secretary means a professional letter writer who maintains the confidential records of his boss is known as secretary. So, secretary means the person who is appointed to write the professional letters of his boss, or a person who is appointed to maintain the confidential records of a business or of a person is known as secretary. Now, coming to the definition, secretary means a person who assists the management in achieving the objectives of the organization and entrusted with the secrets and confidential matters of his employer or master is called secretary. Secretary means a person is appointed in order to help the management to achieve the objectives of the business by maintaining the secrets or confidential matters of the business or master or employer is known as secretary. Now, coming to what are the different types of secretary we have. We have totally 9 different types of secretary. They are personal or private secretary, company secretary, secretary of political organization, ministerial secretary, secretary of a self-governing body, secretary of an embassy, secretary of a trade union, secretary of a club, and secretary of a cooperative society. So let's discuss one by one. First type of secretary is personal secretary or private secretary. A secretary who is appointed to help the personal activities of some high profile candidates like doctors, political leaders, film actors, etc. is known as personal secretary. Personal secretary is also known as private secretary or personal assistant. Second type of secretary is company secretary. So, whereas private secretary means a person is recruited to help the personal activities of individuals. Now, company secretary means a secretary who is appointed to help the activities of joint stock company is known as company secretary. Personal secretary is appointed to help the personal activities of individuals, and company secretary is appointed to help the activities of joint stock company. Third one is secretary of political organization. A secretary who is appointed to help the activities of a political party and who is appointed from that party itself is known as political organization secretary. And coming to fourth type, ministerial secretary. Every government has a different ministries such as education ministry, health ministry, etc. And each ministry will appoint a secretary to operate its activities on behalf of the respective minister is known as ministerial secretary. And coming to fifth type of secretary, secretary of a self-governing body. Self-governing body means the government which is working as an independent government. So self-governing bodies such as municipal corporations, district council, etc. also appoints a secretary to supervise the daily operations of these bodies is known as secretary of a self-governing body. Coming to sixth type of secretary, secretary of an embassy. So embassy means the unit which is operated for the country's sake in the foreign country, and each embassy will be headed by the ambassador of such country, and this ambassador will get some help through a secretary called secretary of an embassy. Now seventh type of secretary is secretary of a trade union. Trade union means a group of laborers who are formed together as a unit for their self-interest. So this trade union will appoint a secretary from the group itself to conduct and control the operational activities of such labor unit is known as secretary of a trade union. Eighth type of secretary is secretary of a club. So generally clubs are of different types. They are teachers club, doctors club, lawyers club, etc. When these clubs appoints a secretary to perform the club operations from that club members itself without paying any kind of money is known as secretary of a club. And the final type of secretary is secretary of a cooperative society, whereas a secretary of a company refers to a person appoints to help a joint stock company operations, and secretary of cooperative society means a secretary who is appointed to help the activities of cooperative society, and this secretary is appointed from that society member itself is known as secretary of a cooperative society. So these are the 9 different types of secretary, and here I am concluding that secretary is a person who is getting responsibilities from his master or employer or boss to keep the secrets and confidential matters of his employer or his business. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.